Today, I asked ChatGPT to tell me how to use the chest machine. Let's see if this is a must or bust.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
So the key with this is take a picture of the machine that you're wanting to work out on. Make sure that the weights and the machine itself is seen. Then tell ChatGPT or AI to create a workout for you. Tell ChatGPT how long you have been at the gym and what you're trying to accomplish, and it will help you get the reps and the weights that you need to work out. On top of that, I ask for a technique so I can use the machine to the best of my abilities and maximize all potential that I can possibly have. I told ChatGPT I had been going to the gym for a couple years and was seeing little to small results. And so I wanted to maximize my potential. So then it gave me this workout here for the chest machine. It will also sometimes give the breakdown for warm-ups, and then it'll also give you additional ways to maximize that workout. This gives the option to do that 1.5 reps and then a drop set finisher. It also recognized that I was on a real delt machine, and it told me I could do that too. And then here's the workouts it's giving to do the full chest. You can ask for a workout day and say, hey, I'm going to work out chest today. Give me the machines. This is what I'm working on. And it will give you the workout specific to that machine, especially gyms are a little bit different. For example, we have a chest press machine that doesn't have a seat that goes up and down. Then we have another one that does. So I'll tell ChatGPT those details, and it'll help tailor that machine and workout to me specifically. So, and here's another cool tip. I'm going to post a video each of the next few weeks of each machine working. If you want to see those, subscribe to join this journey. Something that there was about 2 weeks I missed. One, because we were on vacation and I had access. I did find there was access to the gym there, so I did go while I was there. But when I got back, I got sick and I needed to let my body heal and recuperate. So when I got back to the gym, I told the ChatGPT, I said, hey, I've been sick for the past week. Tailor a workout for me to help me get acclimated being back in the gym. And so what it did is it helped me adjust the workout for a couple days until I got back into my normal rhythm and routine. And so there are so many tips and tricks that you can use to get the most out of your workout. And it works on any machine. It recognizes, it's giving me the best steps. So get ready to join me on this journey, and I'll help you get to be where you need to be. I'm not some bodybuilder. I'm somebody who's almost 44 years old, just trying to do the best to stay in shape and be the best me I can be. Starts with the heart, but it also, a good heart will lead to a good physical, outside, and healthy choices and healthy life choices. And you will feel your best and you will be your best, both spiritually and physically, which is also beneficial mentally, and it is for me. So I hope this has helped you. Get ready to join me on this journey as must or bust goes to the gym, ChatGPT AI style. Let's go.